Hello and welcome back to the channel about jobs. In this video, I will share with you what is the latest job openings from Australia. So it's a new recent job openings, and there are different types of jobs in Australia. So if you're interested to apply for these jobs, please keep watching this video till the end. And I will share with you what is the job profiles, what is the basic needs to apply for these jobs, and what is the applying process. So everything details in this video I'll share with you. So watch this video till the end. So let's start. The first job is boiler maker. So if you're interested to work as a boiler maker, please focus the qualifications requirements to apply for these jobs and what is the applying process. So let's focus what is the job descriptions. An exciting opportunity for a skilled, full-time, motivated boiler maker currently exists at our Riverina Feedlot. A boiler maker is required for productions of all types of works from a simple repair of existing adding to far pressing and overhead structural welding. Salary 27.37 Australian dollar per hour plus potential for overtime. Salary is paid according to the organizational EVA industrial agreements. Responsibilities. What is the responsible once you getting these jobs? Point number one, installing and commissions machinery and equipment, reading and interpreting drawings, performing welding tasks, familiarity with his site permit systems, welding and cutting with stick, MIG, stick, or XY. So, before you apply for these jobs, you should keep in mind what is the responsible for these jobs to work as a boiler maker. So let's focus what is the criteria. That means what is the basic requirements to apply for these jobs. I will describe you very shortly because the video will be long. So please, I can request you, please go to the descriptions under this video. All information is there. Collect this information and read it carefully. It will be easy to apply for these jobs. So point number one, previous experience essential minimum of 2 years in the relevant fields. Ability to meet deadlines and goals, demonstrated in professional and communication skills, reliable transport, ability to work as a part of the team and individually, ability to follow various Australia policies and procedures, ability to pass a drug and alcohol test, strong work ethic, ability to communicate and work seamlessly with internal stakeholders. So this is the basic requirements to apply for these jobs. So let's focus what is the applying process. Applying process is very simple. If you're interested, if you have the proper qualifications and experience as per the requirements by the employers, you can send your CV to the given official email ID. Once you sending your CV and cover letter, don't forget to send a cover letters. I hope you all of know that what is cover letter. If you don't know what is cover letter, you can go to search Google search inbox and search how to make a cover letter to apply for a job in Australia. You will get some formats. According to the formats, you have to make your cover letters. Then you have to attach the cover letter with your CV and you have to send your CV to the given official email ID. Otherwise, you can apply online by the link. I already told you again. I would like to tell you all official email ID, all official link to apply, and official websites. Everything available in the descriptions under this video. Don't be worried. Don't be confused. Go to the descriptions under this video. Collect all informations, and don't be confused. So, if you're interested to apply for these jobs, you can apply online. Otherwise, you can send your CV to the given email ID. Once your CV will be utilized for interview, they will contact you for the interview. Once you getting success from the interview, they will guide you how to make the visa and how to proceed forward to get these jobs in Australia. Next job, mechanical fitter required in Australia. So friends, I already told you, again I would like to tell you, I will describe you very shortly because the video will be long. You have to go to the descriptions under this video and collect all information and read it carefully point by point every information. So to work as a mechanical fitter, what is the job descriptions? Reporting to the maintenance supervisors, a full-time opportunity currently exists for a skilled mechanical fitter to ensure the availability, reliability and capability of plant assets in a beef feedlot operations. Salary 32 dollar per hour Australian dollar plus potential for overtime. Salary is paid according to the organizational industrial agreements. So what are the responsibilities? I will give you a few points. To ensure maximum equipment uptime is achieved by providing effective and efficient mechanical preventive and breakdown maintenance. Engage in maintenance service and repairs to a range of fixed and mobile plant and equipment ranging from grain handling plant, steam flagging equipments, feed mixing and general making handling equipments. Ensure that all mechanical work is carried out to meet the company's safety and housekeeping requirements and conforms to all relevant regulations. So this is your responsibilities to work as a mechanical fitter. So this is the criteria. That means this is the basic requirements to apply for this job. So let's look at what is the requirements to apply for this jobs. Mechanical trade qualifications and post-trade experience of minimum 2 years. Ability to work autonomously and in a team. Experience in maintenance. Effective and efficient fault finding and diagnostic skills. Skills in basic fabrications and milling equipment. So to work as a mechanical fitter, you should have the basic requirements which is required by the employer, then only you can apply for this job. So let's look at how to apply. Applying process is very simple. You have to send your CV by the given official email ID. Also you can apply by the link. I already told you this official email ID and also this link you will get from the descriptions. Don't be confused, go to the descriptions, collect this link, otherwise you collect this email ID and send your CV if you're interested to apply and if you have the proper qualifications and experience as per the requirements by the employer. So let's look at the next jobs. 50 lifeguards required in Australia. There are requirements of 50 candidates for lifeguards. So let's focus what is the job descriptions. The lifeguard will supervise all staffs and customers within the aquatic environments. They are responsible for the safety and experience of all customers. The lifeguard will be engaging and sustainable, providing clear directions to all customers to ensure the aquatic environment is operating safely and that customers are behaving to acceptable standards. They will have the highest levels of awareness to prevent and potential issues that may arise. So let's focus what is the basic requirements and what is the key responsibilities to work as a lifeguards. So what is the key responsibilities? Aquatic supervisions, health and safety of all staffs and customers, outstanding service delivered to all customers and stakeholders, pool plant equipment and presentations. So let's look at what is the skills and experience needed to apply for these jobs. This is the essential qualifications and experience requirement by the employer to apply for these jobs. One, current first aid certificates, current pool lifeguard, working with children check or equivalents. So personal attributes, high-level communications and consultation skills, including a commitment to often, honest, to wide and frequent communications. Decision-making skills, including the ability to consult and gather information, consider alternatives, and communicate decisions. High level of awareness to preempt issues and risks. Discipline to focus on equity supervision and customer safety. So you should have the proper qualifications, proper talent to apply for this job, then only you can apply. So applying process is I already told you, you have to send your CV with cover letters to the given email ID. And there is a website, otherwise you can visit the websites and you can get more information about the requirements. Also you can apply in the websites. So don't be confused. In front of you the official email ID, official websites, official contact, everything here. So many times I have seen in my previous videos some of subscribers, some of viewers, they are asking how to apply. Please don't be confused and never ask in comment how to apply, because all information is in front of you. Don't be confused. If you have any problem, you can go to the description under this video and collect all informations, and you will get the official email ID, official websites, official contact numbers, everything details you will get from the descriptions. Then it will be easy to apply for these jobs. So the next jobs, chief required in Australia. If you're interested to apply to work as a chief, you can focus this informations. Full-time chief, name out of India, industry hospitality, positions, full-time chief, salary 109, salary they did not mention, it's heading, locations 109, more fair. Descriptions of task and duties. I will share with you few points. You have to read all points from the descriptions. Overseeing the preparations, cooking and presentations of food products for the restaurants. Preparing, cooking and seasoning food products during cooking. Examining all food products to ensure quality. Regulating temperatures of ovens, grills and other cooking equipments. So you should have the responsibilities or the job descriptions for the jobs. Then what is the qualifications and experience needed to apply for these jobs? Associate degree, advanced diploma or diploma level qualifications, at least 3 years of relevant experience. So please keep in mind, if you are interested to apply to work as a chief in Australia, you should have qualifications as a associate degree, advanced diploma or diploma level qualifications, at least 3 years of relevant experience. Please keep in mind it's very important. If you should have the proper qualifications and experience, then only you can apply for these jobs. Experience and sorry, experience and familiarity with preparing Indian cuisine and dealing with species and ticket ingredients. Please contact email your CV to the given email ID. So if you're interested to apply, please send your CV to the given email ID with attach the cover letters. This is the official email ID. After you sending your CV, I already told you the process. After you sending your CV, if your CV will be utilized for interview, you will attend the interview. Then once you get success from the interview, they will guide you how to make the visa and about the IELTS, about the visa process. So let's look at the next jobs. Cleaner. It's a unskilled labor jobs. If you're interested and if you have the Gulf experience or any other countries, Malaysia or Singapore experience to work as a cleaner, you can apply easily because always the Australian and the European, the Americans, they are hiring always experienced international experience holders. So it's better if you have the Gulf experience. Otherwise, if you have the another country's experience to work as a cleaner, they will accept very easily. So let's focus what is the details about the jobs. Cleaner wanted to work 3 hours per day starting 6 p.m. Monday to Friday. Duties include general cleaning such as wiping surfaces, removing rubbish, and cleaning bathroom facilities. The successful applicant must be able to provide a police clearance to apply. Please email your resume to the given email ID and clear state you're applying for the maybe for positions. So you have to mention in your when you're sending the email, you have to mention that you are applying for the Mary Pro positions and you have to send your CV to the given official email ID and you should have the police clearance. So if you don't know how to make police clearance, you can ask your friends or relatives how to make a police clearance from the for the jobs. Next job, bookkeeping and admin. Job descriptions. I hope this video will be long. That's why please keep patience and stay with me and get the informations. Maybe it will be helpful for your careers. So for a bookkeeping and admin assistant job, you should have the proper qualifications. So let's focus what is the qualifications needed. Our daily work requirements will include this is the job responsibilities, this is the requirements, reception and administration experience, excellent spoken and written communication skills, intermediate to advanced skill and with MS Office including Excel, strong interpersonal and negotiation skills, have a passion for meeting targets, strong time management skills, high attention to detail, ability to work in a small team, willing to work hard and have a can-do attitudes. So you should have the proper talent to apply for these jobs as they mentioned here. Next, the responsible performing general receptions and administration duties, bookkeeping, following of outstanding demands, communicate with clients, take daily orders from regular customers, loading and unloading stock controls. So you should have the idea about the job responsible and this is the basic requirements to apply for this job to work as a bookkeeping in Australia. And the applying process, you have to send your CV to the given email ID. Next job, project officers. To work as a project officer, what is the job descriptions? Use your experience as a career to support others engaged in the workplace. Part-time 3 days, North Sydney locations. Applicants close day September, but it will be already extended. Don't need to be worried. You can apply as soon as possible. So what is the responsibilities or the experience needed to apply for these jobs? Lived experience in a caring role, degree qualifications in social science, demonstrated ability to develop, demonstrated capacity to provide high quality support, understanding of an experience supporting disadvantaged group, re-enter the workforce. So friends, I am again telling you, I am describing you very shortly because the video will be long. Please go to the description section of this video. All information is there. Read it carefully. Then you will understand how to apply. Next job, electronic instrument. So to work as an electronic instrument, what is the basic requirements to apply for these jobs? Let's focus at least 2 years experience needed in the relevant field. Examine and testing equipments, test and assembling equipments, adjusting, repairing, install temporary releasing and upgrading. So if you're interested to apply for these jobs, you have to send your CV to the given email ID. So to work as electronic instrument traders workers, you should have the proper experience and qualifications. And if you have the proper qualifications, you can apply as soon as possible. So I hope this information will be helpful for your careers and the all informations, all job profiles. This is latest job openings from Australia. Don't be late. First of all, I would like to suggest you please go to the description under this video. This is the first step and collect all information regarding this latest job informations. Then you can choose what is the job profile matching with your profiles and your experience. Once you sure that you have the proper qualifications and experience to apply for any of these jobs, you can send your CV to the given email ID. Otherwise, you can directly apply by the online websites. So friends, I hope this information will be helpful for your careers, and please share this information to friends and relatives, and as soon as possible you have to share by others, and also you have to collect the information from the descriptions. Then only it will be easy to apply for these jobs. So finally, I'd like to say many thanks for your valuable time. In the next video, I'll come with a latest job opening from another country. Stay with me. God bless you. Bye bye.